Climate change itself is a natural feature of our Earth's climate. So we've gone through periods of warmth and also ice ages in the past. So there is a natural change in terms of our climate when we go back, say, thousands or millions of years. The distinction between climate change and the term global warming is that global warming has been used more recently, mostly in association with the fact that humans are most likely causing a change in climate as a result of the emission of trace gases into the atmosphere, principally carbon dioxide. If you think about any particular region, and we can focus on Nebraska in this case, we're in a very fragile ecosystem in Nebraska. We have quite a bit of variability in precipitation from year to year. There's quite a gradient of precipitation between the eastern part of the state and the western part of the state. And so we have a pretty fragile ecosystem in terms of the amount of rainfall that's received over a large portion of Nebraska. So whenever you increase the temperature, you increase the impact that has on evaporation, for example. So you're changing, again, the moisture balance within a region. So we are a very agriculturally focused state in terms of what our economy is based upon. And so we're also heavily dependent upon irrigation to support our agriculture in most of the state. And so if you increase the temperature, if you alter the precipitation amounts or the distribution of precipitation within the year, what you're doing is you're really changing the environment in which the agricultural system that we've developed operates. We also are changing ecosystems, and whether or not those ecosystems are viable in a warmer climate. For example, the greatest changes in temperature that we've seen have been in the winter season. And so because of warmer winter temperatures, we're now having various kinds of pathogens that will survive over the winter because the winters aren't as cold as they used to be. We are having situations where insects and so on are overwintering and then creating more problems for agriculture and so on the next year. And so all of these things, everything is very delicately balanced, and when you change the climate, you are changing, you're upsetting this balance. And so it's of concern to our agriculture, it's of concern to our water resources in the state, everything that we use, to support our economy, really.